welcome back to the African Diaspora News channel. I am Wongel Zelalem bringing you this report. I don't know what Sierra Leone is trying to do, but it's not looking good. Anyways, let me tell you the story. Sierra Leone just sold, I believe, 100 hectares of beach and rainforest, which has animals, species where they're going extinct. So it doesn't make sense. And you know why they sold it? They sold it for like $55 million. And the Chinese bought it to construct industrial fishing harbor. They sold it for that, their beach and rainforest, that will be devastating for the environment, not to mention now it's owned by the Chinese. And on top of that, the people were protesting, asking, begging, activists were requesting to see if a study has been done in that area, how it's going to affect the environment, Sierra Leone, and also the earth as a whole, all of us. And no answer from the government, nothing. And just like that, it is sold. I'm speechless. This is happening now, in this day and age, when information flows, when we all can connect and we know how it goes. We know how, China is buying out ports and giving out contracts that are shady. And I just did a report about Democratic Republic of Congo's President Phillip talking about how it's messed up, the contracts they had, the previous government and the people in power, how they just sold their country out. And with all the information you have as a government, how does it make sense to do that to your people? You just sold your beach and rainforest. At this point, I really don't know. I just don't know how else can you communicate. It's not like back in the days when you don't get information unless and otherwise you send it through a bird, tie it to a bird. And if it, how can you do that to your people? And you have the power to change people's lives for the better, and then you sell it for $50 million. I'm speechless, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's about it. You guys let us know down below, and if anybody's watching it from Sierra Leone, let us know how do you feel about this, and do you think it's going to affect Sierra Leone in the long run? I am Wongel Zelalem bringing you the story. I will see you on the next one. Bye.
If you are over the age of 35, stop everything you're doing right now. After a lifetime of eating fatty foods, you may run the risks of a stroke or heart attack due to plaque buildup in your veins and arteries. To learn how you can reduce your risks, visit youthfountainlab.com or call 1-800-853-7856 today. This may be a life-changing call for you or someone you love. Thank you, and we hope to hear from you.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and download the African Diaspora News Channel app, now available on Google Play and the Apple App Store.